Our Konjac sponge is a natural, biodegradable exfoliator made from the Japanese konjac root. Helps gently remove dead skin, cleans deep into pores. How to use our konjac sponge. 3 easy steps. Step 1. Soak it. Dip the sponge in water until it becomes soft and puffy. Step 2. Cleanse gently. Pair it using your favorite cleanser. Then gently massage your skin in small, circular motions. Step 3. Rinse and hang rinse thoroughly. Squeeze out excess water, don't twist, and hang it to air dry. Replace every 1 to 2 months for best results. Available in 4 skin-loving variants.